Okay, here we are in Kendrew Corners for our third paddle. We're going to try this little paddle down to Rensselaer Falls and back, and then maybe come back and do the opposite direction also. Anything you want to say, Trace?
No, great day.
Beautiful day, so we'll talk to you when we get back. Very shallow. So we're coming to the end of this stretch of our paddle. We're coming into Rensselaer Falls, and it's getting very shallow here, so I'm not sure how much further we're going to go. But it's been a really nice paddle so far. It's been about 3 miles. And I think we'll just try to come up here a little ways and see if we can go any further. Yeah, this might be a good turnaround point, huh? Yeah, we're getting into the rapids. We can't really go any further anyway.
Uh-oh.
You stuck? So now we're headed back to where we started. Okay, so we're coming to the end of this paddle, which was between Kendrew Corners and Rensselaer Falls. Takes us about 3.5 hours it took us to do this. By the time we get back to where we've launched, which we're getting close to.
This is our third paddle, and I'm feeling more comfortable and confident in my paddling skills. I can't wait till the end of the year. We'll see how more comfortable I am. Maybe it's not going to be such a struggle to move it down the river. I don't know. Looking forward to that. The one thing about this paddle is when you got closer to Rensselaer Falls, it became very shallow and extremely fast. The water was very, very, very fast. And it got to one point that you probably saw in the video that I'll have to wait and see, but it was quite scary at first, because I mean it's not like we could never get out of our kayaks. We could just step out and we'd be fine, but it was so quick. I don't think that we've ever experienced anything like that before. But, oh, that was a great paddle. It's getting warm. It's the 1st of August.
Yeah.
We've got another one in the book.
See you next time.